welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt. Woo! And we are in a driving vlog today. Well, not the whole vlog, but anyway, we are driving to the Mustang Owners Museum where they are having a FoxBody meetup for the 4th of July, and it's going to be an awesome time. But I do have some issues with Tar Heel Fox, which is what I'm driving right now. And I'm going to explain that to you guys, maybe fix a couple things because she's had a lot of miles on her, maybe 5,000 or so in the last few months. She needs a little love. In the meantime, we got to get to the Mustang Owners Museum as fast as possible. And yeah, check out some Fox bodies, and I'm going to bring you guys along. So let's go ahead, let's do it. Woo! Who is this pulling in here? Who's driving this car? I don't know. It's a cool looking car. No, I stuck in the parking lot and Jen took the keys from me because I was trying to park in the back. I was just trying to park in the back, not trying to make a big deal. And they're like, no, you gotta park up front, you gotta move your car. You know, I don't get to hear it from the outside very much. So, sound pretty good. Sound pretty good. But guys, there are a lot of Fox bodies here. There's one leaving. Nice Bert, how's it going? Good to see you. This FHP car, man, making me think of my FHP. Look at this thing. Love it. It's an 85. Yeah, anyway, lots of Fox bodies here. I do want to get into what's going on with Tar Heel Fox, but let me go ahead and just show you the Foxes and we see what's going on. There must be a celebrity driving that car. Who's a celebrity in that car? That's a cool car. Who is that? Hey, nice car you got there.
Thanks.
I think I want one myself.
I thought I'd copy you. I mean, it's so iconic.
Yeah, right? That's my car, guys.
It is. It's
That's Jen from Fox Mustang Restoration.
Hi,
So,
guys.
yeah, so you guys got a tent set up out here today?
yeah, a little bit.
This is a lot bigger than last year.
Yeah, I wasn't here last year, but
Oh, that's right.
You and Matt were. So.
Yeah, well, it's on video. You can watch the video. But yeah, this is at least double.
Yeah, wow,
So,
awesome.
well, thanks for getting Tar Heel up front.
Absolutely.
Now everybody can see that I didn't clean her. All right, if you check the video from last year, that was the one with the Zephyr in it, but the show kind of ended right around here, and that was it. Well, this year, check it out. We probably got another, what, 10 or more Fox bodies back here? Something like that. Much bigger turnout. Pretty cool. Mustang Owners Museum. You know what? I'm going to take you guys inside in case you haven't seen it before. We'll do that. But first, let's see if we can get a look at all the Fox bodies here. What do you guys think? Yay or nay? Let me know down in the comments below. I'm kind of a fan of it. I'm kind of a fan of it.
I'll let you know now, nay.
Nay? He said nay.
I'll follow you. I'll need to put it in the comment.
Oh, okay.
In the comments.
Yeah, he can see. He commented right now live. You can't be live commenting. Everybody's talking about this one today. I think I already mentioned it, but 85 SSP FHP. And yeah, I'm digging the vibes in this thing, man. That interior. That's what my interior is supposed to look like. Well, Basically, at least sand beige. All right, guys, you saw the cars in the show, and I can't believe the turnout for the local show, but we are here near the Fox Resto tent. It's kind of, sort of makeshift tent. We got, yeah, Gearhead 704 Fox Resto. Jen, there's another FoxBody show going on pretty close to here, like what, in like 3 months maybe? Something like that?
Yeah, absolutely.
Is it gonna be a little bit bigger turnout than this? What do you think?
Maybe a little bit.
Maybe.
So at that show, we had 718 last year, so.
We did?
Yeah.
I was there, I remember that.
I know, thank you.
That was awesome.
To everyone who
We want to go, how many we want to go for this year? Let's say 800? Or anything we can do.
Yeah, I mean, whatever, anything's, you know, a lot of people are calling for 1,000, but as I say, you know, we have 3, so you guys have to bring 997 if we're gonna get to 1,000, so.
I'll bring 2, so they only have to bring 995.
Hey, there you go. But you guys are Foxtoberfest, so whatever you make it, that's what it is.
Yeah, so tell us a little bit. By the time this video goes up, we should have things on sale, I believe.
Yeah, we are planning to have registration open July 10th on a Sunday, and do have some changes this year, so we are actually in a different lot than we were last year. We're kind of across the street, like on the ZMAX side, if you're familiar with that. And if you come to the show, you are coming in the main entrance of ZMAX. And then also this year, we're gonna have, you'll be able to pick an assigned space that is just yours.
Numbered space, right?
Numbered space in the paved lot. We also have a grass area that will not be numbered. But in the paved lot, you will actually have an assigned number. And so then that way, it's like you don't have to have the anxiety of like, I have to get there really early and make sure I get a good spot.
That's just for pre-registers, is that right?
Yeah. So pre-registration only on that. And we're also doing categories this year where, you know, the Celines will be together, the Cobras. We have a project section, like for project cars, right?
I might have one of those.
That's true. Non-Mustang Foxes. Oh, we'll also have like a YouTuber section. So yours truly, Gearhead 704, will be over there in the YouTube section. Actually, are you going to be in our tent?
I don't know. We still got to figure that out.
Okay. Another new thing that we're doing is something called the Foxy Lounge. So that will be a party tent that has its own sound system. It has its own bar. There's places to sit in there. We'll also be bringing the YouTubers in. So if you want to meet Gearhead 704 in person, like have a meet and greet with him, get your picture taken. That'll be on the event schedule, so you can see what time that is. Make sure you're over there. There is a charge to get into the Foxy Lounge. So you'll have to pay to get in, but it gives you all kinds of amenities that other people won't be getting.
And the best part is I only charge $100 per autograph. So
there you go.
Not really, so guys. Free autograph. No one's ever asked me for autograph, actually.
Aww,
but anyway, I think the people behind us are saying they're done with the background here. So yeah, that's cool though. VIP spots will sell out quick, probably, right?
Yeah, probably. We've only had 90 this year, and so yeah, get those. They will not be sold on site, so
they'll be sold out.
Yeah, they'll be sold out really quickly. Chocolate Fox sold out in 3 hours for VIP.
So it's probably already sold out, guys. But if it's not, by some miracle, check the site right now and just get it. And we will be giving one away though, right, Jen?
That's right, yes.
So you still have one chance. Details coming on that in a future video, but yeah, Jen, we'll definitely see you at Foxtoberfest.
All right, see you guys there.
Okay.
Bye.
As I said, I'd take you inside the museum, so let's go inside real quick. And there is something in here. It's a little dark in here, hold on. There is something in here that I've been meaning to show you guys. If you've been watching the channel for a long time, you saw me actually be here for the shoot of this. Oh wow, they've opened up a new section actually. I didn't know that, but yeah, check this out. The museum used to end here, but now they've opened up this. This is cool. I did not know about this. Right on. Oh look, they got all the engines displayed over here. Check it out, check it out. That is pretty neat. 351. Hey, I know actually Fox Resto put this together. There's your 5-liter FoxBody EFI. Of course, we got, what, this is the 4.6. But yeah, there's a poster in here or something with my car on it. I gotta find it. So let's see if we can find it. Guys, I don't know how I missed it, but here it is. Snuck in here. First time I'm seeing this. If you guys remember the poster, here we go. Can you spot Tar Heel Fox? Yes, she's right there. Oh, that's so cool. Guys, like that is, my car is not that nice. So to have it up there, see, you see, I don't know. I don't think I'm holding the camera right. But yeah, to have it right up there, man, that gets me excited. It gets me excited. Guys, well, I told you we were gonna get into all the issues with Tar Heel Fox, and I'm actually at Fox Mustang Restoration right now. You can see I'm in the FoxBody graveyard, boneyard, but I decided we had enough coverage in that video, I've already shot it, of what's wrong with Tar Heel Fox, that it's actually gonna be pretty in-depth. You guys have been asking for a how-to video for a while. 24% of you who answered the poll So we're gonna put that in another video and dedicate it to how to troubleshoot some things. Big thing is the AC system. So there, cat's out of the bag on that. But we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, Foxtoberfest, July 10th is when the registration is going live. So be sure to check that out if you wanna see the show. I think this video is gonna go up maybe right before, I don't know, it might be after. It depends on when you're watching it. So check that out and definitely come to Foxtoberfest this year, no matter what. That's gonna do it for this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, and we'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm gonna try that again. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I need my sunglasses. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and guys, we are starting out the video or the vlog. Wow, man, I'm having all kinds of trouble today. Hello and welcome. What's wrong with a little bit of behind the scenes, in case you know, in case you watch this far in the video. What's going on?
This is the best section. This is the best. Bloopers
It is.
are the best.
Bloopers, yeah.
That's true.
Bloopers best bloopers.
Also, LS your phone.
Oh, okay, all right, bye. You guys are f***ing nuts.